That gave me my -7, and because I was only looking for solving for x, right, that gave me there was only one x-intercept, but I defined x was my first number, and then x plus 2 was my second number, and then x plus 3. Agreed? So that's one way to solve it. Now, the other way to solve a question like this is why graphing technology is great, is I don't necessarily need, as long as I have a graphing program, I don't have to simplify things and just put one statement in. I'm looking for another way to solve this is I'm looking for the value of x that makes this statement true, right? Whatever x is times x plus 2 times x plus 4 has to equal -105. So you can graph this way too. You can graph two equations, right? You can graph equation number 1. Equation 1 is x times x plus 2 times x plus 4. And equation 2 is just -105. It's the constant function, right? Y equals 105. Okay, so there's two equations. This equation is going to be a cubic again, a positive cubic, I guess. What will this equation be? It's just a constant line, right? A constant straight line. So it's going to be cutting through my cubic. And where they intersect is my solution for x. Right? So that's another way to solve it. So I'm showing you. So I'm going to cancel out of this one. And I'm just going to type in x plus 2, x plus 4. Okay, so that's my first cubic. Now I'm going to go enter, and I'm going to type in -105. That's my second statement. Now I might have to adjust my windows a bit because I had a huge scale here. Oh, you know what? I think for this one I have to go y equals. There. I think. I don't know. I'm just making numbers up here. I don't know. Okay, this is not as easy as. Oh. Here we go. There. Okay. So here's my cubic, right? Here's my constant function. And the solution will be found where they intersect. That's where my magic value of x is. And it's not giving me 7, -7 it should be, right? It's -6.9 for some reason. Close enough to -7, I guess. So that's another way you can solve graphing problems. Yeah, if you've got technology, right? I don't know. Maybe this was kind of a bust. Does that make sense, though, that I can also tackle a problem solving both sides of an equation without simplifying? But you're not going to be finding, you're just going to find the point of intersection, right? I don't know why it didn't come up to -7. But. Okay, so play around with Desmos a bit. It can be a help, right? Of course, as I've said, I thought it just might be a little eye-opening on just opening our eyes to really what the equations themselves look like. And what I really wanted you to take away from today's class is the fact that in real-life situations, we're only ever going to be dealing with part of the domain because the other parts are not going to be usable for the situation. Because we can't have negative time. You can't have a negative height of something. You can't have a negative weight of someone or a negative amount, right? So do what you can. I'll give you the answers tomorrow. I just don't have them ready today, and I'll also post them on the blog. I'll probably post them on the blog later tonight. We'll definitely go over these, and I'll have another little review for you. Play around if you want to try solving some with the Chromebooks, with Desmos. Perfect. If not, you can do pen and paper, using your calculator.